Are you joking?
Doesn't go well.
Are you joking? Chocolate banana rice pudding. Good bulk. Good, cheap, easy bulk. Look, 28p. 30p rice pudding. Don't get me wrong, it ain't the bestest of rice puddings.
Yeah.
The branded one, which is the quid, it is a lot more creamier and it is nicer. Yeah. But that,
For it is.
yeah, but that is worth it. That's good. 160 calories. That's a lot of McCann, that is. There's quite a lot of calories in there, but you're bulking, yeah?
Yep.
So there's no red on there, which is a good thing, I think. Anyway, it's tasty, it's bulky, you want to get thick, you want to get muscly, yeah? So, what we're going to do, you're going to open your tin. Do you know how to open the tin?
Yep. Put it on there and just twist.
Twist, yeah. Happy?
Yep.
Done. Right. Get the spoon out. Take that out there, get rid of the lid.
There's already another one in there.
Yeah, that was me earlier. Do you know what I do? You know how I eat this, innit?
Just like that.
Straight out the tin.
With some chocolate.
I'll just literally take a spoonful of chocolate, stick that in there.
Yeah.
But we're going to show you how to mix it up. Very simple, very easy.
Doesn't look the best.
Yeah, because
it tastes right.
it tastes lovely. We've got to sort them bins out, Teddy.
Oh.
Me and you, my friend. Nice and simple. Look, banana. I've got some chicken wings in the oven at the moment, so I just thought while I'm waiting for them to cook, we'll show my Teddy a nice little dish.
What's up with that banana?
That banana's nice. It's a little bit bruised, that's fine. Yeah? Look, slices it. Simple. You know, instead of you picking up a bar of chocolate,
I actually did have a banana this morning.
did ya?
I did.
A little bit of prep goes into your food when you're trying to do what you're doing. You want to put a bit of weight on, you want to put a bit of size on. This is a real nice treat, you know, of an evening.
Yeah.
Of an evening, you know, you're getting peckish. What do I normally do? We bowl of cereal, isn't it? Go and get yourself a nice bowl of cereal, but a lot of sugar in cereal, lots of sugar. Get yourself some of this.
I wonder where that's from.
You know what though? That is half the money than Nutella. Half the money than Nutella. Right. Yeah. Mix that round.
I don't like the mix.
Mate.
I never like banana.
Mate, it don't look good. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. It don't look that inviting. But of an evening, you're sitting there. You've had your bit of dinner, you want another bit of snack because you want to try and put some calories on throughout the night while you're sleeping. And you want a bit of energy when you wake up in the morning. See that there? That there, cousin, and that ain't cost me a quid.
Yeah.
That's a quid. That's cost a quid, and all the flavours. Come on, bro. Come here.
Oh, yeah, I want a banana with it.
Bro, I used to feed you when you was in a high chair. Come on, try. Come on, here comes the aeroplane. Oh. No, what we're in choo-choo train.
Yeah.
Choo-choo, choo-choo. What's
It's the texture, it's funny.
What's about that? He's like the water in. What was wrong with that?
Oh, it's the texture in the banana, I don't like it.
I'm eating it. How come you not like banana, rice pudding and chocolate spread?
Banana and chocolate doesn't mix.
Are you dizzy, bro? Chocolate banana all day long?
No.
You're off your nut, cuss.